Hey everyone, if you have spent months building up your following on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, that is X, TikTok, or even Pinterest, you deserve to get paid what you are worth. But let's be real, monetization is sometimes a total headache. You have probably tried standard affiliate marketing where you promote a yoga mat and traffic from gamers is just wasted, right? Or maybe you have used other advertisement networks, but every click from, say, Canada or Japan earns you next to nothing because they just don't have good advertisement inventory there. It's like leaving half of your audience money in the wind. It's frustrating when you feel like you are leaving money on the table. Today, we are cutting through all that nonsense with a single elegant solution, the Monetag SmartLink, which they internally call the direct link. This isn't just a basic redirect, it's a sophisticated piece of tech that automatically analyzes every visitor's profile, their country, their device, their language, and instantly connects them to the highest paying, most relevant advertisement offer in Monetag's massive global catalog. Zero guesswork, maximum profit. Let's dive in and see exactly how it works and, more importantly, how you can set it up today. You might be asking why Monetag over the countless other link platforms out there. The answer is simple and it's all about experience and scale. Monetag isn't some startup. They have been a powerhouse in the advertisement tech world for years now, which translates directly to trust and, crucially, high conversion rates. They work with literally thousands of legitimate, high quality advertisers worldwide. This massive operational scale gives you, the publisher, unbeatable advantages for your bottom line. First, you get top tier CPM rates and competitive payouts. Since so many advertisers are constantly bidding for space, your clicks are always fetching the best possible price. Second, universal geo coverage is guaranteed. If you get traffic from any country, whether it's the US, Brazil, India, or Germany, Monetech has a high paying optimized campaign ready for them. Meaning you get highest rates where other networks simply fail. Third, lightning fast and flexible payouts starting from an incredible $5. Seriously, $5. This low threshold means you don't have to wait weeks or months to get your money. You can get paid quickly via popular methods like PayPal, WebMoney, Payoneer, Skrill, or even direct cryptocurrency payments. This flexibility is very good for global creators. Fourth, you have 24/7 dedicated support. Anytime, day or night. If you run into any technical issue, their team is there to help you resolve it quickly. This peace of mind is priceless. It's time to set up your account. Click on Add Formats, Smart Link, Get Smart Link, and you will be redirected to sign up page. Create account with email. The process is fast and taking just about 2 minutes. But here is the most important step that new publishers often mess up. You must provide real, accurate, and verifiable data during this entire registration step. Why? Because Monetag needs this information for legal compliance, tax purposes, and most importantly, to verify your identity when you cash out your earnings. If your name, country, or payment details don't match the information you provided at registration, they simply cannot pay you later. So, click on the first name, last name, and email ID. country of residence, city, address. Make sure you enter the exact address. And you can also provide contacts for quick communication with the messenger, but it's optional. So click on continue. What do you monetize? So social traffic, and you can also give you the urls like uh, what type of audience you are getting. So I am adding just testing details here. How did you hear about us? You can say YouTube, and what other networks, and so these are the all details you need to fill out. Click on accept. I'm not a robot checkbox, and not available, for example. Click on sign up. Once you submit, you will receive a confirmation email. Click that link and you are good to go. This is Monetag dashboard. It's built to be super simple. Let's look at the key features you will use every single day to maximize your profits. First, the direct link. It is also called as a smart link. This is where you generate your unique smart link. Click on add direct link and it will create your unique smart link. You can even generate multiple links for different categories if you want to keep your states organized. Maybe one for gaming traffic and one for finance traffic. Second, statistics. Here, it will redirect you to this statistics page. Don't just look at the total earnings number. Since this is a new account, you won't be able to see any earnings here. But once you have traffic generated and you have some earnings, you will have more data in this statistics page. So don't just look at the total earnings number here. You need to use the powerful filtering tools here like date range, the source, the ad format, the type of formats are there, country, also the operating system, and few other filters are also there, right? So you can filter by date range, by your traffic geo, I mean country, by your specific smart link id as well, and even by device type, this os, right? So here is one tip. Look for the countries where your cpm is high but your traffic is low, traffic volume is low. That tells you where you need to focus your social media efforts next. Third, payments. This section displays your real-time earning balance and allows you to set up your withdrawal method. Remember that $5 threshold we have, right? Once you hit that, you can initiate the payment. They process payouts like clockwork, typically on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, which is fantastic for consistent cash flow. So as you can see, we have earnings here, we have filter for custom dates, payments, which will be after which will be there after you have some traffic, and payment options, cryptocurrencies, paypal, skrill, web money, payoneer, wire, online banking wire, and revolut, right? And finally the referral program. Here, the referral program, this is a genuine passive income opportunity that you should not ignore. By simply sharing your unique referral link, which you can find right here. Here, get the link. Once you click here, it will be copied. So, by simply sharing your unique referral link, which you can find here, automatically earn 5% commission on the lifetime earnings of every publisher who registers through you. Imagine if you refer a creator who generates around $1,000 a month, you get $50 every month, and it's forever without doing any extra work. It's an easy way to build a secondary revenue stream just by helping the other people monetizing their audiences. So the referral program is also one of the best way to earn on a long term. Okay, we have arrived at the most crucial section, deployment. How do you actually use the SmartLink to safely and successfully caching on your social traffic? We have two options. Option 1, direct placement on your own websites or your own assets. This is the simplest method. If you run a blog, a dedicated website, or a simple landing page, you can directly embed the smart link behind a relevant button or image. Since you fully control your own site, it's a straightforward integration. Let's see that example with WordPress. So I have this blog in my local and I have created this page. Let me edit this page. So what I have done, I have added the click here to register for Monetag, and I have this referral program, and let me copy this and simply add this link to here, save. So now when your users will try to register on Monetag using this link, you will get the referral benefits. Okay, this was the one benefit. Another one is using direct link. So let's do one thing. Let's go to our dashboard. There is one plugin called code snippets. Here I have created one snippet, Monetech snippet, and in Monetech snippet we have some CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. So this is HTML code, some CSS code, and in JavaScript, as you can see, we have these variable URLs and some other JavaScript code as well. So what we have to do here, let me remove this. Here, go to your publishers.monetech.com direct link, copy this link, and just simply paste it here, right? And update. So what we are doing, we are using these direct links in our code, in our JavaScript, and putting that HTML into web page. So now let me go to here, edit the page. So we are editing this page on WordPress. Before that, let's go to our short code. So this is a short code, right? And let's go to this edit page and paste that shortcode here and save. Let's see. Now since we have this code added, you can see now we have this advertisement on our page, right? So this is how you can inject your code, your links from direct links to your web pages. Option number 2, the article bridge for social posts. This is the gold standard for high traffic social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Never post the raw smart link directly, as these platforms can flag advertisement network links. Instead, you can create a social post that drives traffic to an article or review on your blog, which acts as a bridge. The link or button containing the Monetech smart link is then safely placed inside that legitimate article. Let's see one quick example. In WordPress, we have created this page, and right now we have added that smart link here so that users will see the relevant ads, right? So what we can do, we can copy this URL, and so this is localhost, but once you have your live website, you can copy this URL and post it to your Facebook or Twitter or even Instagram. So users can click on your you post on your social platforms and come on this particular website, and there they can access the relevant advertisement, right? So that's called the bridge. Your article needs to be highly relevant to your social posts and offer genuine value. For example, if your post on Twitter is says that I just found a number of ways to save the crypto fees, the bridge article should be titled Review Top 3 Tools for Reducing Crypto Exchange Rates. Right? Inside that article, you can use a button that says try number 1 recommended tool now. And that button is where the Monetag SmartLink lives. Right? So using these tricks and tips, you can integrate smart links into your websites. The Monetech Smart Link is by far the most efficient, automated, and globally optimized tool available for monetizing traffic from literally any source, especially the massive social following you have worked so hard to build. Don't leave your more money on the table. Click the direct Monetech registration link in the description right now. Get your smart link, generate your first article breach, and start seeing that social energy convert into serious, consistent cash flow today. If you have any specific questions about optimizing your CPM or improving your article breach content, drop a comment below and I will personally help you out.